Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view someone's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. So for this, first of all, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp application. So this is my WhatsApp application and this is the status, the first one I want to see. So if I tap on it, it will open and now I'm seeing the status. So now if I go to my other account, go to status, and you can see this one view. This person knows that I am viewing his status. So what we have to do is, first of all, just delete this status. Now I'm going to upload the status again like this, and now just go to your main account and tap on these three dots, go for settings. In settings, go for privacy, and you will see this option, read receipts. So you just have to toggle this off. Now you can see if turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. So now if I go back and tap on it to view the status, and now as you can see, I just saw the status, but now if I go back to my second account and tap on it, you can see there is no view, no views yet. So as you can see, if I reply on the status as well, now I just reply the status and go to my another account again, and as you can see, I have received the reply, but if I tap on it, there is no view still. So that's how you can view someone's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. You just have to change the privacy, just toggle this off, the read receipts, and the other person won't be able to know you viewed his status. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.